My name is Tim Pontius. I retired 3 years ago after a career in the law, 16 years as a barrister and 28 years as a judge in the Crown Court. I thought that the workshop was very successful. It was more informative, more helpful than I had expected. Mainly, I think, thanks to Martin with his experience. His input was, I think, very helpful for all of us, and that showed really in the texts we were reading and the way he got us to adopt different voices, different styles, really to bring ourselves out of ourselves and explore ways of reading a piece of text that we hadn't considered we were capable of. I think the most fun and the most useful moments were listening to all the other participants, reading their scripts and responding to Martin's suggestions for all the various ways in which they could read a simple piece of text. Yes, I think I have been motivated to look deeper into the possibility of voice acting. Of course, I'm pretty old. I'm 71 next week, but I am in retirement, which means that I have time to fill, although retirement, as everyone says, leaves you wondering how you had time for full-time work. Nevertheless, I would like to branch out a little into more interesting areas during my retirement. I think that for anyone who is interested in voice acting, this would be a first-class way of being introduced to the field and finding out really if it's something that they want to pursue. I couldn't think of a better way of starting to pursue a potential career in the field.